Okay, you have finished transforming your data and you would like to export it. You can simply do this by appending the export data block. And yeah, before I show you that, I would like to walk you quickly on this data we have here. So we have the penguin data, and I did a few transformation steps to each of these data we have right here. This has a few column from the original penguins, and this has I did some filter operation on this, and this has also a few of the columns from the original data. And I would like to export this data. How do I do that? Append the exports. And since we have more than one data, this is one thing that the write block gives the ability to export more than one data. So I would do a shift drag to add the remaining data to this. Here we have two possibilities to export the data: to the browser or to the server. Select to browser. It would simply generate you the file and save directly to your computer. Before we download the data, I would quickly show you the other options you can use. So this is if you need to give the file a name. You can either leave this empty if you want an auto timestamp generated name for each of the or each time you will download the data, or you can have a fixed name. And with this, if you keep pushing on the download file button, it keeps overwriting. It keeps overwriting the existing file with this name in your folder. And we have a few formats here, which is the CSV format, the Excel, the Parquet, and the Feather format. You can select which delimiter you want, the comma, semicolon, or any other options we have here. And also this is to give you the option to um, either quote the strings in the data or leave it bare. And yeah, it's asking how you would like to represent the non available data, the missing values in your data. Okay, I will leave this empty so we can have the auto timestamp, and I will change this to Excel, then download the file. Because we have downloaded multiple data, this data will be represented or will be displayed in separate sheets in the Excel. And for the CSV format and all of that, if we download multiple files, it's going to download it as a zip extension file. If you would like to output to the server, yeah, this option lets you export the data directly to the server. And if you're running locally, just like I am doing, it will save to your directory in your device. This option, auto write, gives you the flexibility to auto save your data when you make some changes. For instance, we have some changes done here. It would be affected and it automatically updates the data. And this format is very good for making automated pipelines.